Hi, boys and girls. So next on our agenda is, oh my gosh, what am I going to write about? Well, that's why we have to plan and brainstorm a bunch of ideas about what we know so well, choose one of those, and go ahead and start a story. So I thought might be time to create a new brainstorming sheet with you, and I'm really excited about this one. This is called writing from the heart. So these are definitely things we're going to know a ton about. As you'll notice on the page, here is an anchor chart, which I love those. What can I write about? And this is about you, all about you, and writing from your heart. So ideas that they launch for you are something I know about, something that's important to me, something that I want to know about, something I know how to do. So it's all, those are kind of ideas to get you started. Then what I want you to do is when you have all those ideas up here, we're going to write them down on this heart. That way we'll have it all year long. And when I say, hey, boys and girls, go back to one of your brainstorming pages, read through it, and pick one you feel like writing about today, they're all done for you already, or a lot of them are done for you already. So here's what I want you to do. Just what I did in my journal. You're going to start with a brand new page. See, brand new page in your writer's notebook, so get that out. The title is written up here, so you're going to copy Writing from the Heart. And of course, today's date, this is when I did this one, so you're going to change the date to whatever today is. Then you're going to draw a really big heart, really, really big one. And after that, you're going to start writing in different areas of things about you that you know a lot about, or you love so much, or you're familiar with, or just things you really enjoy. Once you have written, just like I did, there's two ways to do it. Of course, the anchor chart over here, they just drew checkered, squares, or maybe you want to draw lines and create a bit of a puzzle. Whatever you want to do to be fancy, as long as you have your ideas in there, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's what I want you to do right now. So you're going to pause the video and you're going to go ahead and draw your heart and start writing in ideas. Okay, go. Okay, so once you press play again, you have your ideas down. I want you to go through right now and read or reread all of your ideas. And I want you to pick one today. I want you to pick one that really resonates with you or you're really feeling passionate about, and put a star next to it or a check mark, because that's the one you're going to be writing about today. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. Press pause, go through, and mark one off that you want to do today. Okay, once you have that taken care of, we're actually going to start writing today. We're going to do our drafting of the writing process. So what I want us to do is on a next page, we're going to start to draft. So go down through to page 5, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right,